Hello guys, so welcome back to my video tutorials on CapCut PC editing. So in this video, I just want to show you how you can configure your CapCut settings for your Proxy in order to avoid lagging of your PC while editing. Probably you're a type of person that is using a laptop with lower capability, you are using a lower spec laptop, or depending on how heavy the video you are editing is. So there are some settings you can just have to configure depending on the spec of your laptop. You just have to configure the settings such that it will make your editing smoother, faster, and it will avoid lagging. So once you are on your home page of your CapCut interface, so if you go to the top right corner of your screen, you are going to see the setting icon. So click on the setting icon, then click on setting. So once you click on setting, so at this part, if you've been using, you make sure that you are coming here regularly to delete your cache, to clear your cache. So if this cache is accumulating too much space, if it's accumulating too much space, it's used to cause lagging most times. It causes lagging. So you always make sure you delete it off, or you can auto delete. You can set your auto delete to 30 days or 15 days, or anytime you notice that you're editing and your video is lagging, you can just come back and clear cache size. Just click on delete. So just click on delete cache. So that's just it. So another thing you have to do. So this is the draft section. This is the draft section. Then you now move to performance. You click on performance, you go to the performance section. So here you make sure you toggle on render interface with GPU. You must toggle it on. You make sure you toggle on proxy, turn it on to edit smoothly and faster without losing video quality. Make sure you toggle it on. You also need to toggle on auto render. So once you've toggled on all of these, just click on save. So that's just how to configure your Proxy setting. Let's now assume you've already opened your editing timeline and you're editing a video. Let me import a video. So let's assume you're editing a video. So because I've already toggled on auto proxy, so that's why it's already generating proxy for the video immediately. You can see that it is generating proxy. It's already generating proxy for the video file, the media immediately I import it on my timeline. Another way you can also configure your proxy through here without having to go back to your own menu and start configuring it. You can do it through here. So what you just have to do is you click out of your video clip, and if you look at by your right, by the top right, you're going to see this detail section. So that the detail section, you see the modify button. So once you click on the modify button, so this process is just for when you're editing and you notice your video is lagging. So what you can just do fast, the action you just have to take very fast is to click on this modify button here. So once you click on the modify button here, you just switch to performance. When you switch to performance, you toggle on proxy. Most times this proxy will be off, but because I did auto proxy in my main setting on my home page, that's why we found it on. So if the settings is not there before, if the auto proxy setting is not there before, you just have to toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, you can just change the resolution to 540p, then save. Then you notice that your video is going smoothly and is previewing smoothly, and the rendering is very fast. So that's just it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I show you how you can configure your proxy setting to avoid lagging of video while editing, so to make your editing smoother, to make your editing more smoother and faster. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video tutorial.